Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card I see is 7 of Wands, 7 of Cups, and 9 of Wands. Person B here, they have Ace of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and 7 of Swords. Now bottom of the deck I have the Fool card, which is Aries energy. This means that either you or your person may be dealing with an Aries. Okay. Now from the first set of cards I see you have 7 of Wands, which means that there is something which is causing you a lot of stress. Something which is outside your control. It could be a person, it could be something, a situation, but something that's outside your control. You're not able to manage it and it's causing you stress. The second card for you is 7 of Cups, which shows options. You may have a lot of options around you. And the third card is 9 of Wands, which means that there is a lot of stress and anxiety that you're feeling. Now for person B, the first card is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles means this person is looking for a new beginning, and with Pentacles it means stability. So they want to start small and eventually build on that relationship. The second card for them is Page of Wands. Now Page is an immature energy, and with Wands it talks about physical attraction, passion. So maybe this person will for some time also focus on passion more than commitment, stability and emotional connection. Now the third card here is 7 of Swords. There could also be some kind of cheating, deception that may happen from this person's end. Now we'll go ahead and also see what is the intention of this person here. The first card is 8 of Wands, King of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. Now 8 of Wands is the communication card. It means that there could be some kind of communication that you may expect from this person. King of Pentacles means they are focused more on their pentacle, and the third card is 10 of Swords, which means that there could be some kind of backstabbing, or this person may feel cheated, backstabbed by you, or something that may give them that feeling. Now with this, let's also quickly see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck for all of you. So the message that I see here is you and your loved ones are safe. This means that you don't need to worry about yourself or your loved ones. They are perfectly safe, and you just need to focus on the right things. Have a little more patience and things will work out for you in the future. Now we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Shell Fossil. The crystal message is, are you ready to uncover memories or wisdom stored within your consciousness? Spiral inward to understand your dream and visions. Recognize the value of the past and use it as a stepping stone for the future. You have much wisdom inherent within you. Use it. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Jophiel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.